There are 8 cardinal points or directions. First one is the north, second south, then next west, and fourth one will be the east. Okay, now in between northeast direction, north and east, there is a northeast direction. In between south and east, there is southeast direction. In between northwest, there is a northwest direction, and in between south and west, there is a southwest direction. Okay, so these are all the 8 cardinal points based on which our topographical maps directions are determined. Okay, now next thing is there are 3 directions that are asked in topographical map. Okay, 3 types of question. First is to find out the direction of a river. Second one will be the settlement or many man-made feature, and third will be the bank. So bank, this is not the direction, this is either it will be a left bank or the right bank. Okay, but that bank is to be estimated when with the help of the river direction only. Okay, when you will find out the direction of river, then only you will get to know that which bank it is, left or it is a right. Okay, so first of all, there is a river, that is the river direction you will write from the direction, you will write from starting to ending. Okay, and that from this direction to this, from start to end. Next one, settlement or any man-made feature that is asked in the question, so you will only write the ending direction. Okay, from where to where, so from that place to, so you will write the direction of that to place. Okay, to, to, that place direction you are going to write, that is the ending point, ending direction. I have the question of 2017 that is based on the direction. Okay, so first of all, there is a question, what is the direction of Sukli Nadi? Okay, second is, on which bank of Sukli Nadi lies Budri Padrukar? Third, state the compass direction of the following. Okay, now what is the direction of Sukli Nadi? So first we are going to find out the direction of the river. So this is 2017 topo map. Okay, now we will find out the river here. So we can see that there are 2 rivers, it is clearly visible. Now whatever the broad one, these thick ones are the only the rivers. Now whatever you are seeing, these small dry streams, these are the dry streams. This will not be considered as a river. River is this only which is having a thickness, some amount of thickness. Okay, now from this we have find out there are 2 rivers that are present. One is Sipu Nadi and this one is the Sukli. So this one is the Sukli Nadi we have find out. Okay, now what is a direction? So direction of the Sukli Nadi, either from this side to this side, or it will be either from this side to this side. Okay, so what you will do before this determining any direction, you are going to make your own cardinal points roughly with the help of pencil in your answer paper. Okay, then after that you will erase it. Next, so this one is that is the north, south, west, east, northeast, southeast, southwest, northwest. All 8 cardinal points you have made your own. Okay, now there are 2 ways to find out the direction of a river. First is to look at the contour lines, and second is spot height, that should be descending in nature. Okay, so contour lines, so contour lines are basically these brown lines that you can see very clearly. These are the brown lines which are circular somehow, or that in zigzag manner. So these are the contour lines. Now contour lines are what? Contour lines, they are the imaginary lines that joins the places having the same or equal elevation or height, having the same elevation. Okay, now they depict any type of hill, slope, okay, or any other relief of the land. Okay, Now if you will see from this part that we have to find out the direction of Sukli Nadi. So from here we can see that okay, there are so many contour lines that are present. Now from these contour lines there are so many dry streams also that are flowing, okay, that are flowing over it. Now just to imagine that this is one of the contour lines and this is one type of feature, land feature, okay, it is a slopey one or something like that. But so what is the nature of the river, general nature of the river flow? If any structure is made, okay, that is the any feature is made that is same as similar as the slope, then what will happen, all the streams or a river which will flow from that hill top will be descending like this way from all direction, okay. It is not like these streams are going up to the slope, it is slipping down from all the sides. The same thing is going on here also. These contour lines, from these contour lines these streams are moving, okay. These streams are scattering like the rays of the sun, okay. Now you can see that which direction they are going, they are draining onto the river, this Sukli Nadi, okay. And which direction they are going, all they are going from this side to that side, from this side to this side. So you can see the flow of this river will be from this side to this side, from here to here. No stream is coming from this way, all streams are going from this side, from these contour lines to that side. So that means the direction will be from here to here, okay. Now by this contour lines we have imagined that okay, the direction will be starting from here, okay. Now there is one another way to find out, that is the spot height, okay. What is the spot height? It is a height of a particular point on the topographical map, okay. It is not like the area, the elevation of the total map, okay. Only a particular point, either it can be a well or a tank or any settlement or road or bridges, okay. That is the point of a particular place. So now these are only indicated in terms of points, 0.381, 0.450, 0.112. It will be represented like this way, okay, everywhere on the map. Now you can see there are so many spot heights that are given. You can see 263, 0.365, 0.273, okay, then 0.348. These are all the spot heights, okay. Now in and around this river spot heights are also present, okay. So you, the second way is all about that, to find determine the direction with the help of a spot height. So you can see there are spot heights which are given around this river. It is not like if you are going to find out the direction of a particular river, so you are only considering the spot heights that are nearby it, okay. It is not like to find out the direction of this river or this river you will take this spot height, or you will take this spot height. Only the surrounding part of any specific river which the direction is asked, okay. Now this Sukli Nadi having the spot height, okay. Now we will see the spot height, identify it. One that is given 0.248 here in this line, then 0.243 it is given, then 0.236. These are the spot heights that are given over here, okay. Now that what you can see here, that is ascending in nature or descending. You have to consider the descending form, that is from highest to lowest. So this is highest one, this is lower than this point, this point is also lower than this, that is this is 248, decreasing 243, decreasing 236, okay. Now you can clearly see that this area is, that is 0.248 is having the higher elevation, and then it is decreasing in manner. So that is why the flow of the river will always be from up to down, from higher spot height to the lowest spot height, from higher to lower, from higher spot heights, and then it is descending to the decreasing to the lower spot height. So what will be the direction? Now you will again remember your 8 cardinal points that you have made. Okay, now from this side to this side, now you just take your pen to the direction of this river. Now that will be moving from this to that side, that means from up to down. Now come to this side also, from up to down, from this side to that side, from there to, from here to there, from here to there, from here to there. So what will be your direction? The direction of the Sukli Nadi is from south to northwest. Okay. Next question is, on which bank of Sukli Nadi lies Budri and Padrugarh? Okay. So in order to find out the bank of a river, okay, that is the Budri place is given and Badrugarh place is given. So which bank it is, either it will be a left one or a right one. Okay, so first one, that is Budri is given. So Budri you will find out in on the side or vicinity of this river only, that is the Sukli Nadi. Okay, so you can see that there it is present. Budri place is located, settlement is there. So you have to find out the bank. So it is a left bank or right bank, I don't know, you also don't know. So what we will do, we will follow the Sipu Nadi direction. Okay, suppose you are standing on the starting point of the direction of Sukli Nadi, that is in the south. Okay, now you are standing here and you are looking at the direction of this river. Okay, that means you are following this direction of Sukli Nadi. You are standing here, your face is on this side where the river is flowing. Okay, and then this will be your which, that is will be your right hand, you imagine, and this is will be your left hand. Okay, now we'll see, this is your left bank and hand, and this is will be your right hand. So Budri is where? In your left hand. Okay, left hand side. So your answer will be not left hand side, your answer will be left bank. Budri lies on the left bank of Sukli Nadi. Okay, so bank you have to mention. This is only for your reference, that okay, you are standing here with the direction of the any river. This is your left hand side, this is your right hand side. So left is the Budri that is lying over here. So your answer will be Budri lies on the left bank of Sukli Nadi. Okay. So Budri lies on the left bank of Sukli Nadi. This you are going to write. This is your the answer. Bank you have to write. That is important. You are not going to write left hand side or right hand side. You are going to write left bank. Okay. Now next one is the Padrugarh. So Padrugarh, here you can see that is the here. Okay, this side. So same thing you have to do. You're standing here from the direction of this river. You are looking at this river. Now what is this, that you are standing here, so you have looking straight from this river, and you are looking at the direction also. So you imagine this is your left hand and this is your right hand. Okay, so Padrugarh is where? That is in your right side. So that is why your answer will be Padrugarh lies on the right bank of Sukli Nadi. Yes, that is. Now what is the next question? State the compass direction of the following Datani from Marol. Okay, so you are going to find out the direction of Datani. Okay, from Marol is already given, that is from Marol. So you are not considering the direction of this one, you are considering the direction of Datani. Okay, so you will write the ending direction Datani. Okay. Okay, now so Marol is here. Okay, so we have find out from Marol, from Marol say Datani. this side. Datani is over here. Okay, now you look, that is, this one is Marol. Marol, from Marol to Datani, मतलब from मतलब वहाँ से वहाँ तक, ठीक है, मतलब हमें फाइंड आउट करना है धतानी का डायरेक्शन फ्रॉम मरोल to Marol. तो we are, that is of no significance, we are not going to find out the direction of Marol, okay, because already it is given that from Marol we have to find out. So from Marol we have find out Datani direction is which direction, that is the thing. So on the this I have already told you that in terms of settlement or any other feature, okay, that is given, not only the settlement they can give the survey tree or something like that, wells or tanks, but settlement, on the part of settlement you are going to write only one direction and that is the ending direction, ठीक है. तो from मरोल से हमें दतानी का डायरेक्शन जानना है, तो एग्जैक्टली हमें डायरेक्शन जानना है दतानी का, ओके, नॉट मरोल का. मरोल हमने फाइंड आउट कर लिया. सो व्हाट विल बी द डायरेक्शन? आंसर टू फर्स्ट वन, Datani from Marol. So you are ready with your directions that you have already made, small cardinal points. Marol to Datani, Marol to Datani. Okay, this is will be the direction. You have just imagined that, okay, this is my direction. Come to the your direction, this one. What is the ending direction? Datani direction is southeast. So your answer will be southeast direction. Okay. Now your next question is Dhavli from Makhawal. So Makhawal you are not going to find out the direction of it. You are only concentrating on Dhavali. So find out the Makhawal first, because from it is given, no? So Makhawal is here, and where is the Dhavli? Find out where is this one. Dhavli is here. Makhawal to Dhavali. Makhawal to Dhavli. Now we have imagined, okay, from here to here this will be the direction. Okay, we have find out. Now come to your direction that you have made, small cardinal points. Makhawal to Dhavali. Where was the Dhavali? Somewhere here. Makhawal, Dhavli. Okay, Makhawal, Dhavli. Makhawal, Dhavli. Now you have got to understand, this is the northeast. So your answer will be northeast direction. Okay, now things are clear to everyone that how we are going to find out the direction. Just you need to do one thing, with the help of your pencil, just draw small cardinal points, these 8 cardinal points. Look at the direction wherever it is asking from the topo map, and then you write your answer by looking at the what, that is your 8 cardinal points that you have made by yourself. Okay, so this is all about. Now if we are going to the next part, that is, I think 2017 we have done the all about the direction. Come to 2018 question about the direction was one only, that was given here. What is the compass direction of Rampura? Okay, sometimes the question examiner can also give you the question of 4-figure grid. So 4-figure grid we will do. Okay, from Karja. So see, nothing you are going to look at it, not this numbers. Okay, just you look at these two things. And from Karja direction you are not going to write, just you have to find, and you are going to write down the direction of only Rampura. Okay, now I am going to 2018 topo map. Now what was the question? That is direction from Karja. Rampura direction you have to find out from Karja. So first you find out Karja. Karja is here and Rampura is on this place. Okay. From Karja to Rampura. So you have to find out here also compass direction of Rampura. Compass direction of Rampura 9580. Let's do these things. 9580 Rampura from Karja. So from Karja. So what will be your answer over here? So if you look, Karja is here and Rampura is here. Karja, Rampura. From Karja to Rampura. Come back to your map. Directions. Karja, Rampura. So we can see Karja, Rampura. Karja, Rampura. What will be your answer? Southwest. So your answer will be 2018 J. One answer 1 will be what? Southwest. Southwest direction. Understood this one? I think there is no problem in the direction, how to find out the river, direction, settlement or the bank. Okay, thank you class.